Am I the only one that didn't get any sleep?
I didn't get any sleep. Oh, you want something to drink, sir?
Yeah. My name is Naisha, and I'm a mortgage loan officer. I currently live in Las Vegas, Nevada. I have 2 sons that live with me, Jacob and Christian, my dad, Michael, and we have 3 fur babies, Storm, Sunshine, and Dollar. Here. Here's the plate for you.
Yeah, you don't have a
plate. Thank you. Thank you.
The turning point for me was I decided to get into the mortgage industry. I got my mortgage license in 2015 and got licensed in like 23 states, and here I am now. Did you do your research on the basketball teams and camps and trainings and all that stuff?
Yeah, and I also looked at college.
Did you schedule your tour?
Not yet.
Let's get a tour scheduled. Over the last couple of years, my career has grown, and now that I can afford it, we have decided to move to Houston to buy my first home because my son wants to go to college in Texas, and I want some good barbecue. It's really important that we have at least 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, so this guy here can have his own bathroom.
Yeah. I do not want to share with Christian anymore.
Well, I'm sure he doesn't want to share with you anymore either. I'm looking for a very large home, 5,000 square feet. I have a large family, and I intend on extending my home to additional family members if they need it. And then also, I need a big, spacious home office. I spend about 16 hours a day in my office, so I need it to be somewhere where I want to be. I would prefer brick exterior. My grandmother had one, and that was one of the most exciting places that I went as a child, so that's the kind of house that I want.
I'm looking for a house, like say, with a pool in the backyard or a large enough lot where we can put a pool in.
My dad's never had a big dream house before. I would love to be able to give my dad his, dream house while he's retired.
What about a basketball court in the backyard? I'm big on basketball, and I feel like I like a pool, but a basketball court is personally more important to me.
Naisha will be paying the mortgage, but her dad is making the down payment. He wants to keep the price low so he can put down a full 20%.
Are you open to at least looking at some houses that are up to $750,000?
I'm still stuck on the $500,000 home.
I really want a house that's ready, move-in ready. I don't want to do anything, Daddy. I'd rather spend extra money and just buy a house that we can just move into. This house is about 5,000 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. It's only $450,000, so
yes.
I don't know. I don't know.
My price range, let's do it.
You know, Daddy, you always taught me if it's too good to be true, it probably is.
This is a nice house.
It's big, it's beautiful, it's brick.
Hi, welcome.
This is beautiful.
Michael, when I thought about this house, I thought about you. It's perfect in price.
I'll take it.
So I'll just wait back here while you guys look at Michael's house.
Really big, oh my.
This is nice.
The market right now in Houston is absolutely insane, just like it is everywhere else. Everything is hot. There's not a whole lot of inventory on the market, so everybody's trying to go and fight after the same houses. So it's gonna be a bidding war for them. It's definitely a seller's market here in Houston.
Carpet.
Carpet?
We have dogs.
I know, but it's fixable. This could be your study. French doors.
But it's kind of dark.
We can sand it and get it lighter for you.
Thank you.
More work, more construction. We can pay more for a home and have a home that's already finished.
But it's not going to be perfect. Just because it's 750 doesn't mean it's going to be perfect. You're still going to change some stuff up.
I feel attacked.
Yeah.
I'm just saying.
Nice,
Still have a nice
huge
view.
family room.
They don't even go up to the top.
We could put something there, like a plant or something.
What plant is gonna go up
Or
there?
we could put a
A
big
shrub.
old basketball hoop rim right there. And then I could just stand right here and just, have a
So
perfect
this
little...
could be your room, your
Yup.
basketball room in the house.
Jacob, I know you're talking about you like to cook.
Yeah, this is a nice kitchen. My mom got me interested in cooking. I used to sit in the kitchen for hours having conversations, talking to her about school, everything, while she was cooking. So I feel like the kitchen will be important to me because I'll be able to make the stuff that my mom taught me to make.
I like it, the countertops.
Okay.
I like that the kitchen is open to the family
Okay.
room. It's dark.
If we did some dark blue cabinets, paint the handles gold.
And put a basketball hoop right there on the cabinets, and you can just shoot basketball from the kitchen.
I wouldn't complain.
I know she said she didn't want to do renovations, but with it being a seller's market, we're gonna have to bend a little bit and make it work for them.
So the house that we're on our way to is 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. It's bigger than our house in Vegas. It already has a pool. It's $657,000. This is more in line with what I wanted to spend on a home.
Okay, but we need 5 bedrooms already.
Who knows? 4,500 square feet, you never know. Maybe there's a den or something. Here's the house. This is absolutely beautiful.
Hey.
Yes.
Hi. This is absolutely gorgeous. The trees, the landscaping. Ooh, the bugs. Welcome to Texas, right?
You said you want a brick? Mm-hmm. We have the brick.
This looks like it's new brick, not just brick. It looks really good.
So is it true this has a pool?
Yes, ma'am, it has a pool.
So spending more money does get us what we need.
We'll see.
I like this. This is really nice.
It looks like it's done. It looks like it doesn't need a contractor. It just needs a.
So you ready to move in right now, huh?
Let's see the house. This is beautiful. I love the floors. I love the stairs. I love the entry. I love this house.
So with this house being priced at $657 and Naisha wanted to be at $750 no more and Dad wanted to be no higher than $500, I think it's a good comparable medium for them. It has the wow factor on the outside as well as the inside.
Ooh,
This
look
is
at
a
this.
really nice living room.
Fireplace.
I love the fireplace. I love the amount of space you have in this living room.
We could seat a
Yeah,
lot
not
of
there,
family
that's
and
for sure, yeah.
extended family in this room.
And here's the kitchen.
Oh, you got the double oven?
The double oven.
I was
got the
stuck on the
double
view
oven.
outside. Well, I'm not washing dishes because I don't do dishes.
I like this kitchen.
But this is a,
Honestly, like
a
this kitchen.
nice island, huge.
I wouldn't do anything to this kitchen. Okay, I love the office. I would paint
This
it.
is beautiful.
Okay,
That's
super
it.
easy. Here is the primary on the main floor.
What do you think, Daddy?
It's nice, but it's not big enough. When I came from, I have a lot more room than this.
But honestly, Daddy,
good
I
space.
really feel like you could put your desk over there in that corner, and you could put your bed here, and then I think it would work. And
This is
then
a big
you love
room.
barn doors.
I do. That tub is a soaking tub. It's a nice size. This closet is.
Oh, it's a lot deeper than I thought. It's not. I don't think that's big enough for
There's
you.
two.
Okay.
Oh, there's two.
There's two of these?
Yes, you have two. Tons of space. Hang your clothes up, your collectibles, your
Bowling
bowling
balls.
balls.
That's big enough there.
This
Oh,
is
yeah.
absolutely gorgeous. I love it.
This is really nice.
pool is huge.
Humongous.
This
Seriously.
backyard is everything.
Look
oh
at
my
how far
goodness.
back it goes.
This house I'm getting ready to show you is a 4-bedroom, 5-bath, 3 fulls, 2 halves. It is sitting on literally half an acre. It does have a pool. Why I suggested this house is there is a guest quarters, nice space.
Well, I'll take it.
I want you way out the back of the guest house, and I want you right in the house with us so I can check on you and get on your nerves.
This is it right here.
Is that the guest house right there?
Yep, that's the guest house. 3-car garage.
Okay.
Color's pretty.
House.
I like the wraparound porch. Are those cows back there?
Those are cows. They're saying, move on in.
Okay.
I'm good.
I like the balcony. I mean, it looks like it's brand new. It's got the steel bars and everything in it.
You know I wanted a brick house.
Okay, keep an open mind.
It looks nice.
This house has actually been on the market for 75 days. It's priced at $589,500. The market out here is very different. Over here in this area, it's a lot more reserved. It gives a little bit of negotiations to drag the price down a little bit more and get them a great buy.
The floors are beautiful. The stairs are beautiful. I love the character. I love the molding.
Yeah, I like
It's
that.
kind of
chandelier.
tight in here. It's kind of small.
Yeah, it's not as big as I thought, yeah.
This color I like.
Okay?
I like the backsplash.
This
Yeah.
kitchen is not it for me at all. Way too small for me.
Where's the pool?
It's right here.
That's a big bathtub.
Are they serious about this? Am I being punked?
Aquarium, spa.
This is a spool.
This should have been over here.
You could put the basketball court there.
That's true. That would be a great basketball
Oh,
court.
it would. Now that would.
For
be, yeah.
another family to live here. I could see maybe making the pool larger, but that's a project. I'm really not wanting to start off with projects.
Beautiful stairs. Here's room number 1 with its own bath.
I like the bathroom a little bit.
I like the counters.
Not real big.
Here we are entering into the main ensuite.
It's beautiful. It
Not
needs,
bad. I love the tub.
Oh, wow.
I definitely love that tub. Old school, bear claws, the whole 9 yards. Oh, we got a lot of balcony, looks like here.
Beautiful green rolling pastures.
So quiet, so peaceful.
the closet's small. The bathroom's beautiful. If we had more bedrooms, I can use this as my office.
How many bedrooms is this house again?
4.
This is 4.
Looks like 2 to me.
And they're all 4 upstairs?
No, there's 3 up here. There's 4th is there.
This house.
Where's the extra family gonna go? Where's Jacob and Chris? I don't see room for our family here. I chose the 5-bedroom, 5-bath home for $450,000. The house is listed at $450,000. Because I work in the mortgage industry, I knew I had to be aggressive if I wanted to get this house. So we offered $550,000, and offer was accepted. Let's just order something. We don't really have enough food right now to really cook anything. Let me see what's
We
in
don't
the
even have
freezer.
furniture.
We closed in just about 2 weeks ago. We're still waiting for all of our items to be shipped here. Our cars just got here, and we've been camping on air mattresses for the last few days.